Hi, my name is Klaus. I'm an inspector today. I'm inspecting this vehicle. Service history is up to date. Service has been done as well recently. The vehicle is in good condition, both fair wear and tear on interior. Recommend deep clean before collection because the vehicle is not being prepped to the good standard inside, so needs a full valet. However, his fair wear and tear on a seat, you will see the pictures. Everything's working inside, everything is fine. This vehicle, in my opinion, has had some sort of accident at some point. But obviously everything's been done to the highest standard. You can see there is a sort of crump zones, like sort of dents in apilar section. So there are a bit heavier readings, which I don't like. But everything's been resprayed on this vehicle. The roof, all the sides, the bonnet, bumpers, but everything is done to the good standard. There are imperfections, as you can see, like underside corrosion on it. So that could be referred to the Ford warranty. There are some amount of scratches on this side on this section on a vehicle present. All the seats, everything is working, so we're going to go for the road test. All the buttons are working. The little sort of interior light in a central console box compartment is not working. You can see, if you're looking closely, you can see there's a bit of paint mismatch, but that will consider acceptable. It's just minor. All the alloys are good. Discs sit on a very good. Tires, however, they are sort of budget type. But front discs, front brakes are nearly new. The rear brakes are discs fair wear and tear. Pads about 70% left. There's no oil leaks on engine. Anything on the underside as well. Suspension is good. So yeah, what happened with this vehicle I would not know. Then it would need stripping and checking more seriously what has been done to it. There is a ding on this door, very light. It can be pulled out around 50 pounds. Yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna go for the road test and we'll talk on the phone. Thanks for using us.